Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about an end screen for your YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you how to do this in LumaFusion. Having an end screen for your videos always gives it that bit of a professional look, something just to make sure that the actual links that are going on your end screen aren't blocking your face or anything like that. It's 20 seconds long, and all we're going to do is make something with an interesting background and little slots to put your links in, your subscribe and your next video and all that kind of stuff. So let's get into LumaFusion and I'll show you what we're going to make, and then I'm going to show you how we make it. Dead easy. Right, let's start this end screen off. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a background on and make it 20 seconds long. If you hear any banging around in the background, it's not me, I promise. It's my cats running around crazy at the minute. Anybody want any cats? Right, so I'm going to double tap on there. And I'm going to delete that text. I'm going to add a shape, and a box has come up automatically, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to make it big enough to cover the whole of the screen. Right, so now I want an interesting background. I've got 20 seconds there, so I'm going to go on Storyblocks. Now I subscribe to Storyblocks, and that means I have loads and loads of different backgrounds that I can use, but there are ones that are free, such as this one here, and this is exactly 20 seconds long. So if I drag that on there, you can see that's 20 seconds long once it's downloaded, and let's play it and see what it looks like. So there you go, it's the sun coming in through the water. Or if I wanted to, we've got, let's have a look. I'm using this one. Now this one is only, well, it's just a fraction short of 10 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to slow it down to just below half speed. So we're about there. And run it up to the end, and I'm just going to make sure that it's the same length as my original. So there we go, 20 seconds. Right, so I'm going to come out of Storyblocks and I'm going to go over to titles. I'm going to add a normal title, and we're going to take that up to 20 seconds. And we're going to double click on it, and we're going to delete the text, and we're going to add a box. Now I only want this box quite small, about that size will do it. And then we're going to move it, and then I'm going to duplicate that, so we've got 20 that side, 20 that side. Okay, so now I'm going to add another shape. I'm going to add an oval. And I'm going to reduce the size. And I'm going to try and make it into a circle. Like that. That will do. Now, one of the things you can do is make all these green screen. So let's click on the boxes one at a time, because they've more or less disappeared now. And I'm going to bring the edge right up like that. And the same on that one to 100%. And the same on that one to 100%. There we go. So let's have a look at that now. So there's my background and there's my boxes. Put everything in that I want. Right, so all we're going to do now is put a little bit of text in there. So let's go back to the beginning. And we're going to add a text. Double click on it. And we're going to edit the text. Click on that one there. And we're going to type in there and put caps on. Subscribe. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. That's much too big. And then what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate it. I'm going to edit the text. Change that to next video. And we're going to duplicate it again. I'm going to edit the text. Right, just make sure everything's centered how I want it, and we're going to move that up there a little bit, and I'll move that up there a little bit, and I'm going to leave the subscribe where it is. Looks okay so far. Now, if I want, I can animate the text and go in there and make it so that the playlist, the subscribe and the next video pop up automatically. But I'm not that bothered about that. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to save it as a movie in my photos. Save it at the best quality. I'm not putting any sound on because I can always add sound on after if I want. And there we go, it's right in the movie. And that's it, end screen done. So as you can see, it's not that difficult, it's quite easy. It just takes a little bit of time. You just need to be just that little bit patient. But like I say, it's not that difficult, but it's very, very effective at the end of your video or at the end of your YouTube video. So if you found this interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Please share down there. Please subscribe. And I've got some more interesting videos coming up for you in the near future. In the near future. See you all soon. Bye, everybody.